Hello. One of the nice things about using the Google Chrome in the classroom is the ability of the student to write an assignment and submit it directly to Blackboard. But there is a pitfall. Students can edit a Google document after you've already graded it, and we want to find ways to avoid that happening. The best method, the one that I'm going to show first, is to have the student copy from his Google document, copy the text into a Blackboard submission box. Now in this case, it's such a short assignment that we'd probably just have him type it directly into the Blackboard box, but assuming it's a longer one that he's prepared with with Google Docs, we'll copy it and paste it into the Blackboard box. With the Chrome browser, though, we can't directly paste it in until we change to HTML mode. To do that, we're going to hit the little down arrow on the right of the submission box, and then down at the bottom there's an HTML button. Once we open that box, we can paste, and then the student has it in the box. He can edit it any way he wants or format it. He's going to submit it, and he's done. Now, let's look at it from the teacher's login. For the teacher, the easiest way to find the document is to go to the Grade Center and look at Needs Grading. And you're going to find that submission, that assignment, and the student. Click on the student's name. As you can see, his current attempt, it has all the text that he copied in. We're going to grade it. He got a 2 out of 10 on that. We can write comments in the comment box, but many teachers like to, rather than just make comments, they would like to have it be in line with the text. A way to do that with this type of assignment is to copy his submission, put it in the feedback box, and again, we have to do it in HTML mode. We're going to paste that in. And then we can make annotations on his answer. We can correct we can highlight his grammatical error, and we can put in the correction. And maybe highlight that in another color. And you can add other comments as you wish to that. When you're done, you're just going to save it. Now let's look at what the student sees when he gets that grade back. Yes, he's going to go to his assignments, or his, I'm sorry, class content. He's going to look at that assignment. He's going to see that he did submit it, and the feedback he's going to get is going to look exactly like you put it in. So that's the preferred method. But on a very, very long assignment, it may be impractical to do it that way. So if he prepares the document in Google, as a Google Doc, we would prefer that he not submit it as a Google Doc because he owns the document, and any changes you make to it will later be reflected in, he could later change because it is his document. So in this case, let's assume that it's the same document. We would want the student to download the document, go to File, Download as a Microsoft Word document. Then the student can go back to Blackboard, and he can browse his Chromebook, and downloads are found in the download folder. He's just going to attach that document and upload it. The difference between this and a Google document is that the Word document that he uploads is actually a copy of the document, where the Google document is just a link to his original document. So in this case, you can find that assignment again, open it, and if you're on your on anything but your Chromebook, if you're on a real computer with Word on it, when you open it, it will open in a mode that you can edit it. And after you make your edits to the document, we're simply going to save the document. And then we're going to go back to Blackboard, put the grade in, and we can add any comments we want into the feedback box. And then we're going to attach the file, browse my computer, and find the document that we edited, open it, and submit. Those are two methods to use to avoid the problem of students editing their document after they've submitted it. Thanks.